What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how I made a 25K today trading NQ futures. Before anything, here's a proof. You guys can see made about 25 bands today. Pretty solid day today, I must say. Honestly, today was a really good day in terms of price action. But yeah, let's just get straight into how I made this money. I took a long today. So this is full. I trade, by the way, on the West Coast, so market opens at 6:30 for me. So you guys will see that we do end up pushing up. We do get a slash down right here once market opens, but what you guys will end up seeing is me taking a long after this inverse fair value gap. So let me just mark this out real quick. Before anything though, higher time frame, why was I bullish today? You guys can see we were in this 4-hour gap, kind of rejected off this gap, and you guys can see we had a 4-hour gap to target right here. So this was the main target. I ended up taking profits a bit earlier, but I could have just waited until this gap got tapped into, which you guys will see we end up doing very soon. But my price targets were something around these levels right here. But yeah, so you guys can see we kind of inverse this gap pretty easily. We did have this 1-minute gap here to inverse as well. So I personally took a trade after we got you guys know my fake out model inverses. I wait for a 1-minute inverse to inverse the 5-minute gap. Once that candle prints above it, in this case, I would like to see a retracement back into the gap, which is what we get with this next candle right here, right there. And then we kind of end up rejecting off this gap again and furthermore going back higher. So I took a trade after we passed this wick right here, and I ended up targeting more than just this actually. I think I ended up taking profits like right here. Yeah, so I took profits like right around there. Just a quick little 15-minute swing high, and then I had my take or my stop loss right around, let's see, had my stop loss right around here. So you guys will see as soon as we kind of get into here, we actually do end up taking the trade. And today was a very easy day, just like that. We ended up taking profits in like 4 minutes, bro. 4 minutes, I made like 25K today. So another very easy day today. Honestly, the markets have been doing pretty well in my favor so far. So I really can't complain, but that's how I made 25K today trading NQ futures.